What's happening YouTube, boy Tech TRX back now the video, and today we are looking at the AceFast 65-watt charger for your MacBook. Really good for when you are traveling. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when next videos come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Pretty much this is the 65-watt low profile charger. It has 3 slots, 2 USB-C and 1 USB 3 slot. Plenty of spots there so that you'll be able to charge multiple devices all at once. Comes with the charger right here and also a USB-C cable right here, braided cable, pretty nice. Let's take out the plug here. There we go. Like I said, very low profile, 65 watt, good for MacBook Pros, the new M1s and the new M1 Pro and M1 Max, and also the M2 coming up for the MacBook Pros. Pretty nice. Let's put those on the side for now. Here, as you can see, this is the USB-C cable that comes with it. Pretty nice cable actually. It's really easy to unravel, as you can see there. There's no tangling because it is a braided cable. And also at the same time, the ends of these are pretty nice, durable front there, and also flexible end so that it won't break over time. The braided cable as well is thicker and probably inputs more, it's able to input more power to your MacBooks, because the USB-C cable that was provided from Apple is actually not that thick, and it breaks over time real easy. So I would recommend this for traveling with your MacBook and also charging multiple devices with it. Let's put that on the side for now and let's look at the power adapter there. So this is what the AceFast 65 watt power plug looks like, and pretty much on C1 there has the maximum of 65 watts if you're using it by itself. The C2 is about 20 watts, so the best power is if on the C1 this is about 20 watts right here, and the A1 is about 18 watt max. Pretty nice. But if you're putting them together, it's very slightly. So for example, if you are using the 2 on the top, it'll go down to 45 watts on the top and 20 watts in the middle. If you're using the C1 and the A1, it'll be a 45 watt on the C1 and then 18 watt max on the A1. So you could still get the maximum of 45 watts if you're using all of them. So for example, if you are using all of them, it would still go with 45 watts up here for the C1, and then it'll be 20 and then 18 right here, which is really nice. If you're using all 3, you're pretty much using almost 100 watts there, which is pretty useful for the most part. Again, the logo on the side says AceFast. Then here you can, it's retractable so that when you're traveling, you can use that as well. Very nice. Then as you could see here, all the information that I said earlier will be on this side right here. So we have it plugged in here with our MacBook Pro. And pretty much it's using 12 watts right there to charge the MacBook. The MacBook is also not under stress, so it's only using the minimum, which is around 15 watts anyway. You'll be able to charge the MacBook at a maximum of 30 watts as well, so you don't need that much. So with the iPhone there, as you could see, it's doing about 14 watts as well. Now if it is a USB, then it goes down. USB-A can only do, we're getting about 9.7, almost 10 watts there for the USB-A. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new 65 watt charger. This one's from AceFast, and also the USB-C, which I think is one of the nicer USB-Cs that I've seen, the cables here. And if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.